नमस्ते, खुश रहो बेटिया. Today's topic is pediculosis. Pediculus humanus var. Humanus and P. humanus var. Hepatitis. Head loose. Head lice infestation occur worldwide and are most common in school age children. Common among children 3 to 12 years of age. Type Pediculus humanus, two varieties: Pediculus humanus corporis, Pedicle humanus capititis, Pathrius rubis. These gravid lays a few eggs daily. These eggs are called nits. They are small, oval, grayish, white, and 0.5 mm in length. Pediculosis capitis. It is the infectious infestation of the scalp by Pediculosa pulmonis capititis. It localizes in the scalp, favoring the occiput or temporal area. They are laid close the scalp surface at the bottom of the hair. Clinical feature: itching, scratching cause trauma with result into oozing, secondary infection usually resulting in pustulation and abscess formation. Pediculosis corporis. It is the infestation of the body by Pediculosa humanus corporis. The body lose inhibitis from the clothing, lice bites the skin to suck blood, release of mild toxin, produce pruritic spot and strong itching, result in excoriation. Hallmark of the disease: site shoulder, tuck, buttock. Pediculosis pubis. This is the infestation of the pubic perianal hairs by Pathrius pubis. It is usually transmitted by sexual contact. The adult female lays eggs and nights remain firmly adhered to the pubic hair. Clinical features: the patient complains of itching with result in scratching. This hair may be matted in the thick or dried pus, serum, and blood. The patient may also notice the bloody spot on the underwater. Investigation and diagnosis: the diagnosis is usually suspected on clinical examination and finding the nits or the adult loss on hair of the fibers in the seam of the clothing. If necessary, the hair of the fibers may be observed under the low power microscope. Treatment: Pediculus capitis 1% gamma benzene hexachloride, 25% benzoate, 0.5% malathion, made of application 3 application on the consecutive days followed by trying a cloth on the scalp. Shampoo after 7 days. Pediculosis corporis. Patient need a scrub bath. Insecticidal dusting power should be applied to the garments lying close to the skin. Laundering and ironing on the cloth. Pediculosis pubis 1% gamma benzene hexachloride, 25% Benexyl benzoate with 0.5% malathion. Since application is usually sufficient, if necessary, repeat it after 3 days. Other treatment modalities: maintain good hygiene, secondary bacterial infection treated with the broad spectrum antibiotic, itching controlled by antihistamines. Thank you.